You all in my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. So today we will learn a multiple choice question which is shown in your screen. Okay, so now you have to find out what is the structure of the major product in this reaction. Okay, so for that purpose I have provided 4 options in front of you, so you have to choose or select the right answer. By the way, one interesting thing which I want to mention is that to answer such kind of question, it is highly desirable to understand all the reaction condition which we will discuss later on. But before that, I want to request that please pause the video and try the question by yourself, because if you do that, it will be very beneficial for you for self-evaluation. And I request you, whatever answer you get, don't think whether it will be right or wrong, mention in the comment box. It will help me to understand also how much you know or what is the state of your knowledge. It is helpful. Okay, so let's go into the details. So before going to details, I want to mention you that it is highly expected that if you understand the nature of the reagents, then it will be very easier for you to predict which will be the product, because it is not possible to remember everything. Okay, so what are the given? This is reagent fluoro, chloro, means you can consider that it's a propane derivative, means one part is substituted with fluorine and another part is substituted with chlorine, and second is this BCl3. Okay, we know that BCl3 can act as a Lewis acid. I shall explain why. And third is given benzene. This is benzene. So I always suggest, whenever you get anything, don't only focus the reagents, try to focus on the solvent type, means whatever written here in case of arrow, that is also, because you have asked what is the major product. If you don't read all this thing and if you just focus on this one reagent, means fluorochloro derivative, you will not be able to get the answer. Okay, so this is, now just let's discuss little bit about Lewis acid. Lewis acid means a molecule which can accept electron. Okay, and Lewis base can means accept electron pair, and Lewis base can donate electron pair. So this is, now see this boron BCl3, the outermost valence shell boron has 3 electron and it is attached to 3 chlorine, so it is enjoying actually 6 electron, but for its stabilization it needs 8 electron, so 2 electron needed. So that is the reason of its reactivity as a Lewis acid, and which will you can understand in next step what is happening. By the way, such kind of reaction between this alkyl halide, Lewis acid, and in presence of an aromatic hydrocarbon like benzene is nothing but Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction, and that part is two. One is alkylation and another is acylation, but in this case we are using alkyl halide, so this is our case, this is alkylation. Okay, so we will I have already uploaded few lectures, please visit if you want to learn them details, you will have in the I button. Now, so we have understood nature of the reagent. Now let's discuss the mechanism of the reaction. What happens? See what we told in case of Friedel-Crafts reaction, means see in case of Friedel-Crafts reaction, if you look at that, this Friedel-Crafts reaction needs an alkyl halide, and that alkyl halide is removable, either chlorine or fluorine, doesn't matter, but it is removable, and which will go and bind to the Lewis acid, this one. Okay, so in this case we can expect that both chlorine or fluorine, anyone can leave and result a carbocation. Okay, so a carbocation and result and participate in the Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now the question is which one will participate. In this case fluorine will participate in this reaction, so here Cl will remain. And why? Because this fluorine will remove or leave as a fluoride, and that fluoride will bind with BCl3 and result in BCl3 F minus. Now just look at this molecule. This is right now 8 electron, means octet filled. So what is the advantage? This is stable, so we can consider this is relatively stable. And another thing, here carbocation is produced and this carbocation undergo, so this is actually the intermediate. So this carbocation, this is the intermediate. Okay, so this, and it reacts with benzene. Benzene attacks through its pi cloud and produce an intermediate, or better to say sigma complex, which looks like this. So this is the plus charge here, this is hydrogen, 1 2 3, sorry 1 2 3, no, this is, so this is the sigma, this is the structure of the sigma complex. Okay, so this it will produce, and second step, this proton will be abstracted in, because the resultant compound is aromatic, and that is the driving force, and it will result in this formation. So driving force is aromaticity. Okay, now a question is that why not the Cl substitution? See, if the Cl was substituted, then here we would have been get BCl3 and Cl, and in this case there is a fluorine. So what is the difference? See, boron fluorine bond, this boron fluorine bond is more stable. Why? See, this fluorine has 3 lone pairs of electron and boron has vacant, so it can delocalize. And second, the bond strength of boron fluorine is stronger because they both belong to second row element. Okay, so their orbital overlap is better compared to BCl bond. Okay, that's why this bond is more stable. So that is the reason, although the carbon fluorine bond is relatively stronger than carbon chlorine bond, this breaks. And second, see, boron is a small element. Around that boron there are already 3 chlorine there. So if you put another chlorine, that bulkness will be more compared to the fluorine, so it will prefer from every point of view. So these many points supports that the fluoro will leave, although the CF bond energy is higher. Okay, and second question, that why not the di substitution will occur? See, here I didn't mention any stoichiometry. So when no stoichiometry is mentioned, we need to consider that this is actually nothing but one equivalent. So after one equivalent reaction, what will be the fate of this BCl3? This BCl3 will be converted into this FBCl3. Okay, means, and outer side there will be H, or you may consider this is nothing but BCl3 plus HF adduct. But since the boron fluorine bond is very stronger, so it will remain in this way, and these have 8 electron octet field. Okay, so this is a stabilization. So in next phase for di substitution, there is no actually better to say catalyst left or available Lewis acid left for this reaction, so di substitution cannot occur. Okay, so now, so what is the question, what is the answer of this discussion? The answer is this one. Okay, so why not di substitution I have explained, and why not chloro I have explained. So this is the answer. Now, so what you have learned today? In conclusion, we have learned that bond energy of CF is higher than CCl 1 point, but breaking of the bond mainly depends on the stabilization of the intermediate. In this case, carbocation is same for everyone, so we will not focus. We will focus the anion, how the anion is stabilized, like the fluoride versus the chloride stabilization. And in this case, this fluoride is more stabilized because of the, sorry, not BF3, because of the BCl3. Fine. Another thing, when stoichiometry of a reaction is not mentioned, we should consider the reaction is one equivalent. Okay, one equivalent is provided there. So this is the important information, please keep it in mind. Fine. And the fourth understanding is that BF bond is more stronger as well as more stable than BCl bond, but due to proper, or because of due to proper overlap, orbital overlap between the carbon and fluorine. Okay, so and it create lesser steric effect for this BCl3 addition with this fluoro. So ultimately the intermediate produced in the reaction is stabilized. Okay, so this is the overall discussion for today. I hope this video may be useful for you. I thank you for watching this video. If you really like my teaching, please like the video and mention your comment, your opinion in the comment box. Is it really helpful or not? And finally, if you think it is worthy, then share it with your friends and subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecule, and please press the bell icon to get the notification when I upload a single video. So thank you again. Stay happy, stay blessed. See you in my next video.